SKeLeTON hiCCUPS. SKeLeTON woke up. Had the hiccups. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Polished his bone. Chopped a pumpkin. Rake some leaf. Played with ghost. Ghost tired skeleton. Hold your bread. Eat some sugar. Place your fingers over your ice bowl. Drink some water. Upside down. Ghost made a face. Said boo to SKeLeTON. But nothing worked. The hiccups said. Then Ghost got smart. Folded a mirror. Held it up. SKeLeTON screamed. The hiccups laughed. They jumped away. Hooray!